Today I want to share with you guys an unsolicited recommendations for all the home buyers that are currently looking for a property in this real estate market, especially in South Florida, especially if you're looking for a multifamily, single family, or townhome, because those are the asset classes that we have the least inventory of. So if you are currently looking for a property and cannot find one, I recommend you go into the home buying process with the mindset of, if you find a property that meets at least 70% of your criteria, go ahead and send it an offer, because there's very little inventory. The odds of you finding something that meets 100% of your criteria is very little, because all the properties that you are going to see, you're going to want to do something different to it. Change the paint color, change the floors, change the kitchens, something. Big ticket items like location and the size of the home are two things that most likely cannot change, especially if you're buying in a gated community. But everything else, price, color schemes, credits, all that can be negotiated and changed afterwards. So if you find a property that meets at least 70% of your criteria of what you're looking for, I highly suggest you send an offer to it and start the negotiations, see where they take you. You might be able to get yourself a very good deal on a property that you may not be fully convinced on it at first, but after you negotiate it, you will be actually liking it a lot more. And if your agent is not negotiating strongly for you, you might have to change agents. But if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.